Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. This is a quick video on how to change the battery of a 2018 Toyota Camry. So all you need is maybe another key or a flat device that you can stick into this little hole, maybe a screwdriver as well. All you need is something that you can put in here, ply it up. Once it fits in, squeeze, just open it up. Once it's open, it has this little cover. You take this cover out, and there goes your battery. All you need to do is just lift it up, and then you put a new one in. So you can get this battery from Walmart or from Amazon or eBay for about maybe five to $6, and it is the CR2032. CR2032. And once you've switched the battery, all you do is you put that little cover back in place, put the second cover, and push it till it snaps, and you're good to go. Alright, thank you. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video.